Hi, my name is Evelyn, and thank you for taking the time to learn alongside me during this class. I do often find myself at a coffee shop, however, mostly I'm sitting at home in my office at my art desk. During my classes, I hope to inspire and encourage those wanting to get started in watercolor. Together we will go through each step to create your very own unique watercolor painting. This class we will be learning how to paint this pumpkin. I'm super excited about this. We're going to go through each step with how to create these beautiful washes, salt techniques. We're going to do wet on wet, wet on dry. I've got a list of steps that we're going to be doing. I will walk you through each one. You will have a list of materials as well. There's a PDF of the materials included in this class. I have not always used watercolor to create art. I started with oils and acrylics as well as graphite. Watercolors intimidated me a lot. My dad was a watercolor artist. Naturally, you'd think I would be one. Unfortunately, it wasn't until his passing when I got a hold of his watercolor supplies that I started to work on how watercolors would work for me. I do want to share that with you during this class, and maybe I can just give you a little peek into some of the joy that I've experienced through watercolor. If you were like me, I did try watercolor in high school and was very disappointed in the results. Many of you may get discouraged just like I did. Well, I'm basically here to tell you, you've got this. Together, I want to walk you through to create a painting that you're going to be proud of. Watercolors don't have to be daunting or disparaging. Just remember, you've got this. All right, let's get started.